Hi, so today we'll look at a full stack web application which uses machine learning, or we can say that full stack data science project which helps to calculate the body fat. So basically this project tends to estimate the percentage of body fat in a human's body based on several parameters like weight, size of the hip, chest size, and many more parameters. So quickly let's go through the workflow how this is. So as usual in all the data science projects, we first load the data into the pandas data frame and then we perform exploratory data analysis. After exploratory data analysis, we get all the selected features and the data is almost clean. Now it is ready for for model building. So we select the perfect machine learning algorithm by tuning the hyperparameters of it, and then once everything is settled, we save the model weights in a pickle file, and then we integrate that pickle file by unpickling it into the UI. The UI we can make using Flask or Streamlit or any other full stack application if you want, but it should use Python. You can use Flask, Django, or Streamlit, anything. Then we will be deploying our machine learning model or the full stack data science project on Microsoft Azure cloud. So this time we'll be deploying it on Microsoft Azure. So let's look at the demo of it. So if it's deployed on Azure, then you will see this kind, like it's at the end it will be written as Azure Websites.net. So this is the demo. So I have given some kind of information regarding body fat estimation, how this is to be calculated and all. Here's the context, and then here's the kind of information about the data set which we are using, and then this is the content which is there, and then there are more details onto it. There is some score, there is some kind of metric on which this body fat estimation is calculated. It is known as series metric, because Siri was the person who gave this formula for calculating or estimating the body fat. Then there is all kind of statistics, and then there is kind of source which you can go over here and you can just browse through it, and here are the references from which the entire data set has been made. So let's go on and checking the body fat estimation. So I'll just give some density of underweighing weight, abdomen circumference in centimeters, chest circumference in centimeters, weight in lbs is nothing but pounds, hip in circumference. If I just hit enter, if I just hit predict, I get the percentage of body fat is something around 9.96% in the body based on those parameters. Now information regarding the body fat estimation, again the same information has been displayed over here as well. Okay, so this is how we are gonna make this simple project, but the deployment is a little bit complicated in this because we are deploying it on Microsoft Azure cloud. It's not on Heroku or anything. Microsoft Azure is little bit slow and it takes a lot of effort for deploying it, so deployment phase is little bit tricky. So the deployment and the exploratory data analysis phase in this project is little bit tricky. Rest everything's are normal as we go on for a full stack data science project. So in the next video we'll carry on with the exploratory data analysis part.